show you how to make my Cajun seafood sauce. First ingredient is the shrimp, clearly. That's what I've never made the full like seafood broil. I am going to be adding sausage in it. Like if you guys have watched my Instagram videos, I've only like made the Cajun shrimp, but today I'm going to be making the sausage as well, but it's actually Cajun sausage. So this should be good. It should be really good, I think. I don't know if you normally make shrimp and they always like seem to shrink. These do not shrink. They shrink a little, but they're jumbo shrimp. Like, oh my God. Make my mouth water. But anyways, what I season the shrimp with before I cook it is garlic salt. That's key. Old Bay seasoning and Cajun seasoning. The most important ingredient, the cheat code, these packets, okay? Because people have told me like it's not affordable to make the sauce and everything. So I did the cheat code. Like instead of buying individual seasonings, you can just buy this packet and it has like all the ingredients. Everyone that you would use to make the sauce. Oh. And then I also use parsley at the end. When everything's done, I'll just sprinkle a little parsley on the shrimp. So this is the shrimp that I recommend, the uncooked shrimp. And I have it sitting in water so it can unthaw. It should be ready now, so let's get started. So the first thing that I'll actually do for the process of making the shrimp is the butter. I use garlic butter for mine. And I'll just spread it all over the pan. 1 for the flavor, 2 so it don't stick. Okay. So once you have the shrimp rinsed and defrosted, you want to season it with the ingredients that I mentioned earlier. The garlic salts, the Cajun seasoning, and this is 2 packs of shrimp, by the way. So I'm just adding a little bit more seasoning than I normally would. The last thing I season with is the Old Bay, okay? Old Bay. Key. And now we mix. It's like the easiest thing to ever cook. You guys will see how easy it really is. Now we go back over to the stove, okay, where our butter is melting, and we fry. For the shrimp to like be evenly placed on the skillet, I'm only gonna put like half in for right now. I'm gonna wash my hands now. Okay, so the most important ingredients for the sauce, what is super cheap, I think these packets are like a couple dollars. You know, I got 2 because I got 2 packs of shrimp, but normally I would do 1. And butter. This and butter. That's all you need. Literally has all the ingredients that you would have to buy separately, all in one. So that will save you tons of money. Because I think for seasonings, it's like maybe $5, like 4 something. So to get like 10 different seasonings, do your math. Spending too much money. See how our shrimp are doing. Shrimp are doing pretty good. I think it's time to flip those. When you notice the other side getting orange, I'm gonna turn this down a little now so they can really cook all the way through. Ain't nobody got time for that. For it's not be cooked. Let them cook on that side for a little bit. Doing good, doing good. So the first thing that we're gonna do is melt the butter. So yeah, 1 stick of butter for the sauce is all you need. People probably like, all you need, that's probably a lot of butter. It is. The butter is melted. I'm gonna like slowly stir these. I want to love you, pretty young thing. Not quite there. And sometimes the shells will fall off. You can just throw those. Brown, but they gotta be like that on both sides. The butter is all done. So we're gonna take 1 packet of this and stir it in slow. Just gonna keep stirring. Boiling right now. Woo, that's strong. And to spice up the Cajun sauce, Old Bay. Okay, spice it up. I'll show you what's going on. Let's add our sauce to our shrimp. Most of the time, the seasoning is at the bottom. All those spices. And just stir it. And I like to let the sauce cook with the shrimp for a little, so it can marinate. This is what you call dirty Cajun shrimp. Oh my God. Now that the shrimp is done, and that, you guys, is how you make Cajun shrimp. And like I said, if you want it spicier, you know, go ahead and taste it. Add some Old Bay seasoning. Black pepper in there. Red pepper. It has the spices in this seasoning. So if you want to spice it up, add some more Old Bay. Man, I'm free, living 24 months. We can talk about it, hell of a run. Throw away Dracos for the cops. Yeah!